Hey guys, I'm in the airport. It's literally packed in here. I'm waiting to check my bag. I don't even know if you can hear me. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. My eye bags are horrible. And my finger is naked. I left my ring. But we're almost through the bag check. My face is so puffy. I can't wait to like sit down and just relax.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax.
Hey guys, I just got to Miami. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me because the lady on the loudspeaker. I'm waiting for my bag. Luckily, I was the first person off the flight, but I thought luckily because I thought I was gonna like have time to get a coffee, blah blah blah, and I was just gonna get one down here because in LA we have like a coffee bean right next to baggage claim. But I'm dumb and there's no coffee places near baggage claim, so now I'm just sitting here waiting for my luggage for like a million years, and I feel like I'm not gonna be able to get a coffee, but it's okay. I'm in Miami. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, honey, it don't matter, shots.
Hey you guys, I'm just outside of CVS. I popped in to get some face sunscreen and a little mini brush for my hair because I think I want to slick it back tonight because I don't want to wash it and it's hot as hell, but I just had the best, I don't know why I'm showing you my stomach as if you can see it, but I had the best lymphatic massage at the Tox. Holy crap, this woman spent like 2 hours on me. Normally it's 60 minutes and she absolutely killed it. She was so sweet. Sherry Ann in Miami. If you ever come to Miami, go to the Tox. She was amazing. Not sponsored, obviously. She just absolutely killed it. Now I'm about to be on my way to the Mondrian, which is where my friend Ella and Steph are staying because Monica's flight got delayed. So she's not getting in until 10. So we might not even be able to do dinner together. We're gonna figure all that out right now, but basically I'm heading over to see my girls Ella and Steph at the Mondrian. Ella's at a casting, so I might have to like chill there and wait for her, but if anything, I can grab a drink at the bar or something and wait for her. Probably shouldn't have a drink after I just had a lymphatic detox massage, but it's fine. We were in Miami, what are you gonna do? But yeah, I'm gonna head there now. My Uber's 1 minute away, and then I will be, sir? You okay, sir?
And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot roll, yeah.
Hey you guys, we are at the Mondrian. I'm at Steph and Ella's hotel. Just chilling, tanning. Miss Stephanie's over there. We just got some cocktails. I got an Aperol Spritz. I know I just got a lymphatic massage, but what are you gonna do? They're like, yeah, don't drink or put toxins in your body. And I'm like, perfect, Aperol? But Monica's flight sadly got gorgeous out. It's so freaking hot. It says it's gonna thunderstorm though soon, so I'm kind of nervous, but what are you gonna do?
Never only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever.
I'm Blue.
Just checked
I'm with my queens, Steph and Ella.
Hi.
They all got ready at their hotel, and I obviously didn't have any of my crap, so I just took a shower and did my hair.
Baby.
But we're about to get dressed. I don't even have my luggage.
The cutest from ever. Show them the view.
All right, let's see. Let's show them the view.
Ella taking over. Come on in. Come on in.
Welcome to Ella's crib.
Welcome.
Oh, I want this to stay. Please don't go away. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade.
In Miami, look who made it. She's over there ironing her pants. Here is the morning view. Unfortunately, we're not like beachfront, like you can see the water down there. But this is still really beautiful. Oh my god, my camera? Dude, my camera's fogging up from how hot it is out here. It's so humid. Got our lattes. Okay, we have our little workout outfits on. Let me see if this camera will balance on here. Here's mine. It's this cute little aloe set. I showed it to you guys in a recent haul. You can't like see my full body, which is kind of annoying. but it's just this top that I tied like this, these little pants, my cloud shoes, and I have my little bag. And then Monica is taking a selfie in the mirror, but she's wearing a little brown set. She's gonna come and show it. Let's see that outfit. Woo!
What is
look
this?
who
Bow
made-
and Tea.
Bow and Tea.
Bow and Tea, and then Amazon. And On Clouds.
We're about to go get in a little workout. We ordered our coffees. It took legit an hour to get here, and they were $23, so love that for us. We're gonna... It's fine, they're really good. We got some almond milk lattes, and we're gonna go get in a small workout, and then we're gonna walk to the Aloe event. So we'll probably get there at like 11:30. We are officially walking to the Aloe event. There's little Monica. We're super excited. We're getting hungry. It's like 11:15.
Getting hungry. Woke up hungry, bitch.
Monica woke up hungry. She did eat my leftover Poppy steak last night though, so that was bomb. The truffle mac at Poppy steak, you need it. You need it in your life. But yeah, it's hot as shit. We're going to the Addition, walking from Fontainebleau. But honestly, I think it'll be a nice walk. And we did a really fast workout today. Like we only did a little bit of abs and a tiny bit of legs. Like maybe for 20 minutes, not even. So at this point, I think the walk will be nice. From the Aloe event. I'm wearing this swimsuit and cover up. I'm gonna link the brand, and then I'm wearing some cute jewelry. I forget what the brand is, but a PR company sent it to me and it's so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. And then Monica's wearing all Monday swim.
Monday, Monday, Monday.
Showered. We got up to the room after eating. It was so cute in that little spot, like right outside the beach. There's like this little restaurant and it has like a bar, and it was lit in there. People were going ham. Monica and I had a Caesar salad. She had a panini, and then we had a couple drinks. Well, he only had one drink. We still have not even finished them. They're still in the room because we're not trying to like die. But this is the current mood. Current mood is just chilling like Eskimos, straight up in our little robes and our head towels, and we're just like having the best time right now. We are gonna start like slowly getting ready at a leisurely pace. Then we have the Monday Swim show tonight, which is super exciting because Monica's favorite swim brand is Monday Swim. Monday is also one of my favorite brands, of course. And then we have the Monday Swim after party. Then we're meeting up with a girlfriend of mine, Karina, who lives here in Miami. And I like stayed with her my first swim week ever, and she is just such a great girl. So we're gonna hang out with her. And then we are gonna maybe go to Live, which is the club that's here in our hotel. And that's with Whitney, who's my neighbor from LA. So it's so crazy, like a bunch of people are here. Whitney is just randomly here. It was like super random. We were just talking at Pilates once, and she was like, yeah, I'm going to Miami in July. And I was like, shut up, when are you going? And she like said the exact dates that we were going to be here. And I was like, what the hell? And I was like, where are you staying? And she's like, Fontainebleau. And I'm like, we're staying at Fontainebleau. So it was just so random, but she's like one of my close friends back home in LA. So we're going to hang with her hopefully tonight. So it should be a great night. I'm not going to promise that I'm going to bring my camera out, but I at least will get some iPhone clips of what we're going to be doing because I have a really miniature purse and I feel like me bringing my camera out is a recipe for disaster because then the rest of the footage is going to get lost because I'm going to lose my camera because there's nowhere to put it in the little purse. So we'll probably just like film ourselves getting ready and all that, and then I'll have to iPhone vlog, but you know how that goes. We called my mom, we FaceTimed her, and she's like, "Are you ladies drunk?" And we're like, "Mom, we're chilling, we're fine." She's so funny. But yeah, I really miss my ring. I really miss it. I've been talking to Frank this whole time, being like, I miss my ring, I want my ring. I just really did not want to risk bringing it to Miami just in case. We were swimming in the ocean all day, like. We had a great day though. I would say, like, what would you rate our day out of 10?
Like 10 out of 10, but we're not even at Monday yet.
I know.
Is insane.
Which is your fave place?
Yeah.
Or your fave brand?
And Devin's gonna be there.
Monica she loves Monday Swim so much. I gave her so many of my bikinis from Monday Swim because I have so many and I'm obsessed with the brand. They fit so great. It's such great quality. I've had them for years, but the ones that I've had for like a really like long while, like even some new styles that I was like, you know what, I have so many, I gave to Monica so we could like match and like be in the same print. We're gonna get ready and it's gonna be a fun ass night. We are just about ready and we are gonna take some quick pics. We're gonna go to the Edition, grab a drink there, take some photos, and then we're gonna be at the Monday show. So we're super excited. Let me show you guys our outfits. Mine is a rewear. If you guys have seen any of my content before, you would know that I've been rewearing this fit. The top is RUMI, the skirt is White Fox. This is my favorite skirt ever. Like, I've literally been wearing it with a different variation of tops for so long. It came with like a little, like a tie-up kind of like like a short sleeve top, but I've been doing it with a different variation of linen material tops for a while. Monica, come show your fit.
Revolve.
A bad bitch.
Revolve, and then Dolce Vita Devon collection. Revolve. And I think that's it. Day what, 3 Miami? Technically it is Friday. We just got ready. We went downstairs to grab coffee and then got ready. I actually lost my coffee. They made it hella strong. I'll show you guys my outfit. We're about to go to Pura Vida to grab some breakfast. Well, actually it's like 12 o'clock, so technically brunch. It's kind of overcast right now. Like there's a big, I want to say pretty big cloud outside. So we figured like there's no actual rush to get down to the beach right now. We'll definitely end up there after we eat. I keep checking the weather, and of course in typical Miami fashion, every single hour it says like 40% rain, 40% rain, 40% rain. So I'm like, at one point it's bound to rain, but that's okay because it's just like tropical stuff. Like it'll rain for a little bit and then go away. I wonder, Mon, if we should do the pool today. Yeah.
Just because it's easier.
Yeah. I don't feel like walking on the sand right now either.
I don't either, and like...
You're wearing earrings, right?
I haven't put any in, actually. I might just put my tiny little, like, Huggies. Ow, my dunks are, like, hurting my foot for some reason. Anyways, guys, I'll show you my outfit. This room is a literal sty. I don't know where to put this so I can show you. Okay, this is my outfit. I'm wearing, both pieces are from Urban Outfitters. This little like top, I love this because it's double lined. You don't have to wear a bra, and it's like sheer on the sleeves, which is really cute. It's just this little tie up top. And then I'm wearing, oh my god, I'm like stepping and stuff. I'm wearing these pants from Urban. You guys have seen these on my Instagram before. And my bone dunks, which the tongue of these is like hurting my foot and I don't know why. But yeah, just that, and then I'm gonna wear
my little Staud mini purse, and I'm wearing some cute jewelry. And that's it. Monica's in a very similar outfit. I'll show you her fit in a minute. Here she comes. Ew, this room is disgusting, but
Amazon.
the lighting's nice.
And then from a boutique at home.
Cute.
And that's it.
We're
It's
like
wrinkly
matching.
dinkly.
Wrinkly dinkly. Almost back at the hotel. We went on a legit wild goose chase to find like a CVS. We finally found Target. And look at how much water we bought. Like literally bags and bags full, like 10 bottles. But it's like 2:30. Wait, what time is it? Is it 2:30? It's 1:30. We're about to be back at the hotel and we are going to get in our swimsuits and head down to the pool. Okay, so we barely vlogged all day, but we literally just like laid out by the pool. Monica napped a little bit. We got some French fries, some Aperol, and now we just got ready to go to the Good American cocktail party. They're doing like a collaboration with Shopbop, and it's for the new swim collection. And then we're going to the Aloe Yoga Times Sports Illustrated swimsuit party. So I'm gonna show you guys our outfits for the night. Here, put this guy here. Here's my little fit. This is from a brand called Asta Resort, I think it's called. It's really cute. It's like a long mermaidy skirt. I'm wearing the same shoes. They don't go that well with the outfit, but they're kind of all I have, so I feel like it's gonna have to make do. So this is the fit. Hair is just curled. Then I have some earrings in. Monica, come show your outfit. Revolve, and the shoes
ASOS?
are ASOS. Oh, the lighting, stand right there in the shade. You can't really see you. Look at how cute she looks. She said the dress is Revolve and the shoes are from ASOS.